How to change language in Royal Match. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change the language. First of all, open your application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. Now you're in your settings interface. But if you look out, there is no any option as changing language or any other language options. If you look out in other settings too, or even in your profile, there is no such option as changing of the language. Royal Match doesn't give you in-game settings or in-game other changing language option. The only reason is because it has default English and no other option as changing the language. According to the region that you are in, it provides the language in your game and you cannot change it directly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.